Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Malaysian fried chicken, which translates to Malaysian spice fried chicken. It features chicken marinated in a rich blend of aromatic spices and herbs. These are all the ingredients that you need. Let's start. First, chop the onion roughly. Then, roughly chop the garlic. Thinly slice the ginger. Now, I'm going to remove the bottom side of the lemongrass. Peel and remove the first outer skin of the lemongrass. Then, roughly cut the lemongrass into smaller pieces. I'm going to blend all the ingredients just now in a food processor. Next, pound the coriander seeds in pastel mortar. If you don't have a pastel mortar, you can also use a chopper. Pound the seeds until it looks like this. Let's prepare the marination for the chicken. Add all the chopped ingredients into the food processor. Add half of the pounded coriander seeds into the food processor. Add half amount of cumin as well. Add some water. I use about 30 ml of water. Cover with lid and blend all the ingredients for roughly a minute. This is the texture that I'm happy with. Transfer into a bowl. Add the remaining coriander seeds into the bowl. Add the remaining cumin, turmeric powder, curry powder, chili powder, and salt. Add the oyster sauce. Mix all the ingredients well. Lastly, add the rice flour and mix well. Add the marination mixture into the bowl with the chicken meat. Using your hand, mix the marination well to the chicken meat. Rub the marination to every part of the chicken meat for even seasoning. I'm going to transfer the meat into a clean bowl. You can skip this part and cover the bowl with cling film. Cover the chicken with cling film. Gently press down the film. This is to avoid the water moisture mixing with the marinating chicken. Cover with another layer of cling film. Keep it in fridge and let it marinate for at least an hour. Best to marinate it for 1 day. Take the marinated chicken out from the fridge 15 minutes before you want to fry it. I'm going to separate the chicken meat and marination mixture. Do not throw away the marination. I'm going to fry it later as well. Keep the marination aside. In a pan over medium heat, add oil. Heat the oil to 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. Fry the chicken for a few minutes until golden brown. Flip the chicken meat occasionally to avoid burning. You can also use air fryer to fry the chicken. Set the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius and cook for 25 minutes. Let's check out the fried chicken. It's almost ready. Remove it from the pan and set aside. I'm going to strain the remaining bits from the oil. Now, I'm going to fry the leftover marination that I set aside just now. Fry this on medium-low heat for a few minutes until golden brown. Stir occasionally to avoid burning. Once you are happy with the color, remove it from the pan and set aside. It should be crispy and flavorful. The fried chicken is now ready to be served. You can serve this with white rice, fried rice, or even nasi lemak. Let me know if you try this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.